Okay, yep. All right, now the one around your body.
This one's tricky.
Yeah, you have to push down first.
Right, so down the side of my
Yep,
leg.
push down and round. Go.
And when you said cheating before,
Yeah,
you mean holding on to
yeah, a little bit. Turn around to the side. Give me a profile. Go.
I can't do it very fast.
No, that's what I'm saying. It doesn't matter. It's about mindfulness.
I'll do one more on this side, other side. Right now in direction.
Yeah.
I like the squeeze at the back.
Yeah, so do I. So it doesn't have to be fast, does it?
No, not at all. And it's really in that squeeze and opening across your chest.
Yeah.
That's for someone like me who has little dodgy shoulders that do have imbalances, this is a really good one.
Yeah.
Just squeeze back.
But you see how you need to release now by treading? Tread out now.
You can start to feel that in your biceps.
Yeah.
I start to feel it in my biceps.
Even just rest on it. Bring it closer under your elbows. Just to rest. Do you see what I mean? Beautiful. Yep, good.